This review consolidates feedback from users across the internet to provide a comprehensive understanding of the machine Washable $100 Build Design Non-Slip Rubberback Runner Rug by Ottomanson. This rug measures 22 inches by 53 inches and features a unique design resembling a $100 bill in multicolor shades. It is made with a thin pile of 0.2 inches, which is ideal for busy areas and places where door clearance is important. The rug is constructed from stain-resistant polyamide material with a rubber backing to minimize slipping, making it suitable for high-traffic indoor spaces, such as hallways, kitchens, bedrooms, and entryways. Ottomanson has been a trusted brand for over 20 years, known for quality rugs made in Turkey. Users appreciate the rug's ultra-thin profile, which allows it to fit comfortably under furniture and not obstruct doorways. The thin pile is functional, providing a balance between comfort and practicality. Many reviewers note the rug is soft underfoot, yet durable enough to withstand frequent use and heavy foot traffic. The stain resistance and ease of cleaning are highlighted as strong points, with users reporting that regular vacuuming and spot cleaning with mild detergents keep the rug looking fresh. The rug's design is praised for being both trendy and timeless, adding a colorful and playful accent to home decor without overwhelming the space. The non-slip rubber backing is effective in preventing slips and movement on smooth floors, which is an important safety feature. However, some users mention that in very high traffic areas or with pets, the grip can diminish over time and the rug may shift slightly. For those situations, adding a rug pad or carpet tape underneath is recommended to enhance stability. The rug is also noted to be kid and pet friendly, resisting common messes and wear from daily activity. Several users have found the rug particularly useful in practical settings such as laundry rooms, mud rooms, and entryways where dirt and debris are common. It collects dirt well and is easy to clean, making it a functional choice for these spaces. The rug's visual appeal combined with its practicality makes it a popular option for those looking to add style and utility. Some reviewers who purchased larger runners from the same brand note the rugs vacuum easily and maintain their appearance well over weeks of use. The colors remain vibrant without fading, and the edges are well bonded to prevent fraying. The rug's lightweight nature makes it easy to move or reposition as needed. On the downside, a few users mention that the rug can attract pet hair quickly, which may require more frequent cleaning in homes with multiple pets. Additionally, some found the rug appeared somewhat dusty upon unpacking, though this was resolved with regular cleaning. For pet owners needing enhanced traction for mobility assistance, especially for larger breeds or pets with mobility challenges, this rug's low pile height may not provide sufficient grip, and a thicker pile rug might be more suitable. Overall, the machine washable $100 Build Design Runner Rug by Ottomanson is a stylish, functional, and affordable rug option. It excels in areas where a thin, non-slip, easy-to-clean runner is needed. Its unique design adds a fun and modern touch to any room while providing practical benefits like stain resistance and slip prevention. It is a solid choice for anyone seeking a durable runner for busy household areas, with the added bonus of a distinctive look. If you own this rug or have experience with it, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is available in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in purchasing.